Hello, everyone. Here we are yet again trying to beat the market. Yesterday wasn't a very good day, but let's expect today. I'm sharing my screen here. Maybe it's better if I share this one, correct? If you are not seeing a blank screen like another time. Yeah. Okay. Cool. There we go. There we go. There we go. Um, um, what I'm seeing today, what I'm seeing now. Let's go here to the higher time frame, which is a 1 hour. We had a very big stretch yesterday, 364 points, reaching an all-time high in Nasdaq yet again. Nasdaq outperformed other indexes such as the S&P 500, for example, which is very linked to the Nasdaq because at least the Magnificent Seven populate both indexes, so they have sort of a correlation. But this correlation didn't work yesterday. Now we had news before at 1:30. Let's see what happened. Yeah, nothing. Didn't have anything very interesting here. In core retail sales, we had a decrease in core retail sales month on month, but we had an increase in retail sales, like in general. So nothing very interesting. Um, we had industrial production lowering as well at 14.15, and we will have retail inventories at 3 p.m. or 9 p.m. Eastern time. Not a lot of stuff going on. I don't think it's going to be enough to move the market. And well, let's go back to the high time frame. We still have 2 minutes and a half. I think we are losing steam by what I'm seeing here. We are losing steam, and we will probably reclaim this area here. There's a huge, if you go to the daily, for example, these could be considered like what they call a fair value gap. So I believe we are going to be playing around this area here, 885, between 885 and 22. Very possible. Tomorrow there's Fed, so I don't expect a big moves today because of that, especially to the upside, the continuation of the trend. So what I'm working with is um, the reversal, at least for the moment, of the trend we have been seeing the last days. Okay, but I could enter along. It doesn't mean I could enter along because the only thing that really matters is the price action, the candle action. And for now, I'm seeing a very bearish candle action. And but by 29, like I always do, I will call the first movement of the day. And up to the moment, I was never wrong. Let's see if this time, if it that's gonna work this time around. We have here this anchor at 22.1, so this is a point where we could have a take profit for um, for a long, but I also believe this 2205 here could become a resistance. So if I enter now, but I'm feeling short. Let me see. No, I'm going long. Long. Let's see. Didn't work. It's going down. Let's see. Going back up. No, it's not gonna work. It's just going down. It's not gonna come back. Yeah, didn't work this time around. Yeah, as I said, big chance was to go down, and it went down. Okay, no problem. Yeah, I believe in the price going down. I really do believe that we will go down, but I can't tell you when. If it will keep going down or if we will see any sort of movement back up to see it go down then. Let's see. Okay, now we made this box here. It's a box with 30 points is not a box that I usually like to use, but in the opening, that's how it usually is. It's breaking the box. Let's see how it's gonna break the box. Mm, didn't break. Didn't break it. Didn't break it. There's still some strength to the upside. Not too much, as we can see. I'm liking it here. I will even probably reduce the box size because it's consolidating around this smaller range, this narrow range here. Or no? No, it's not. Yeah. Anyway, this would be the point I would enter a short, I mean. But it has to break the box first. Something it didn't. Okay. So it has to break the box here, break the box here, come down, and then come back up. Then I would enter the trade. Otherwise, I'm just staying. But it's not. Yeah. Let's see, it's breaking. It's going down. Maybe just sweeping the range, which is good. Okay. Okay, now it's going down, breaking. Let's see if it's going to uh, remain there. No. Yeah, didn't break. Now, if this if this candle ends, if this candle ends below the former week, we can say that it has broken. And then we can, yeah, it would be a good place to enter short. Reasonable, yeah. But it's not breaking yet. It's just not breaking yet. We have to wait. Okay, let's wait then. And the contrary also is true. Like if it breaks up here and here, I would enter along exactly from this point. So nothing is discarded. Nothing is discarded. I don't know, maybe we just found a a bottom, at least temporary bottom. It could be going up to test other areas that I showed. Like there is this 22.5 here. There is the and there is the anchor at 22.1. So I wouldn't discard um, at all these areas being tested, or it could go even further. But I don't I don't know. I I don't I don't feel it's going up so strongly today, but I can be wrong for sure. I can be wrong. But the bias in the high time frame is short, especially because we broke, as you can see, we broke yesterday. We broke today's low already, uh, and yeah, we still have like 17 minutes here for this 1 hour candle, but it's not very. At least the candles, the 1 hour charts are not telling us a very bullish story. So let's wait. For now, I'll be preparing for a short, a long. I mean, I think we let's just see how this next one will finish up. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, I'm long in this if I have the opportunity to enter from 982. And that's gonna be it for me. 982 is my target. 982 for entry. Yeah. It's gonna be my target here. If it comes down to 982, I will enter along 957. Yeah, the first. This is the first uh, hurdle. The price has to go up. I will even mark it here because it's important. It's an important point to be broken, and still I don't see all that strength. But the candle action is very bullish. If it doesn't come down, yeah, no, this setup is is done unless it keeps going down. But if it breaks the top week here, this week here, I won't consider this anymore. Bloomberg, good, good for the setup. Let's see. Okay, okay, okay. It's not bad yet, but mm, I don't think. Yeah, if this candle doesn't break down the week, I will not enter anymore this setup. No, it's not looking good for this setup. I mean, yeah, no, no, no. I'm not trading this setup anymore. Doesn't make sense anymore. Yeah, this setup is done for me now, guys. Uh, it was a long shot after like we went 50 points up from the break. It's usually I consider it to be like the, let's say, the the maximum I would consider to see a reversal, to see a retracement to enter. It's too much. So I just not seeing that setup anymore. Let's see if something else comes up. What I'm looking for now is something consolidating in this area 22.5, for example, and breaking. So we could enter short, or if it consolidates here and breaks up, we might enter from here as well in a long. But I'm not seeing it now. I'm not seeing any of it now, and I'm just sitting out. Like trading, one of the things that I learned, and sometimes I still commit mistakes, but it's a game of waiting. If the setup is not exactly how you desire it to be, just don't go to it. Don't go. Don't go. It's better to lose a trade because you didn't enter it than you lose it because you entered it. So in the long run, it's much better. And it's not something, trading is not something for anxious people. No, 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 no. It's not. That it's not. For sure. Yeah, I'm not seeing any setups coming up now. I'll just wait. Like you could see, okay, there is a possible break that we could see here in this box here. Yeah, but I just think it's too narrow. I would enter if it breaks here, enter here. Yeah, it's not so bad. Not so bad. I will consider this, but it has to break first. Okay, let's just. I don't know why it isn't updating here. Okay, now it's updated. Let's see if you are seeing it. Yes, you are seeing it. So maybe, but this box, I only see it for the downside, breaking here and then coming back, possibly entering from 22.30. Yeah, but let's see. It didn't break. It's not the best of the setups, but I think given the bias today, which, as I showed before, given the high time frame, I believe, and the lack of catalysts for for an uptrend continuation, I believe it's gonna give a break. It's gonna give a brief, okay? Because yesterday we had like almost 400 points up. We reached the 22,000 point threshold, which is remarkable. Um, but there are no catalysts today, I believe, especially because yesterday the Nasdaq didn't correlate with the S&P 500, and yeah, let's see. It's breaking, slowly breaking down. Okay, okay. Hmm. I'll try to enter from 22.28. That's gonna be it for me. 22.28. Let's see. Price action is kind of bearish. Oh, kind of action. I mean, fair enough. 22.28 is a good entry point. Okay, I am from 22.29. That's my entry. Let's see if it works. Stop at 0. I will put it only if it breaks. Yeah, only if it breaks like the 22,000. Before it, I won't. Actually, to be fairly honest, if it gets to 22, I'm gonna put the stop loss at 0 just because it could react from here. Okay, that's why from here it becomes a bit dangerous to not have a stop loss at 0. Yeah, stop loss is at 0 now, guys. I will actually even lower a bit the stop loss above this candle. Now stop loss is at 2210. So we make at least 20 points. Our take profit is 50 points. It's 978. And we did it! Yes! That's it. That's it. That's the boost of confidence we were in need of. Very good trade, guys. Very, very good trade. Very good trade. Yes. We did it. We did it with 6.5 of um, drawdown. 6.5 points of drawdown. It was great, a great entry. A great entry. Great, great, great. Yesterday we didn't have a good day, but today we overcame it. We overcame it. Okay. That's what I say. Stick to the strategy, stick to the strategy, stick to the strategy, and it will pay off. Look, whoa. I could have held this, guys. Look, it's going insanely down. I say that I didn't set the take profit there. I would be trailing now. I would be trailing to now. I would have trailed here. I would be trailing from here now. 983, which is below my take profit. I mean, above my take profit. It's going to get there. Let's see. Yeah, it looks like it would stop by there. Yeah, okay. The result would have been the same. With the yeah, that's it. Okay, we did a good run there, guys. We did a good run. Yeah, yeah. I'm pretty happy. Pretty happy, guys. We did it. I hope you caught the trade as I did. And I'm fine for today. Not risking anymore. Shouldn't do that. Shouldn't risk it anymore. Like I said, my bias is still to see this price going down. It is, and let's just see. Let's just see the end of the day. I'll not be here anymore. This is the way I trade. Like I just make one trade, and if I succeed, good. If I don't, good as well. It's just one trade. Actually, two. One in the opening. I wasn't doing this on the opening, but now I start to do it. Um, and one up to, I mean, 11 EST or 12. It's 5 hours, right? Yeah, to 11 EST, 4 p.m. or 4:30, 11:30, 11 and 4:30 GMT where I am based. Um, and that's it. I don't trade more than that. I don't do more than one trade because that is the ruin, at least for me. When I lose, I tend to revenge trade, and this is not good. And the way I'm doing now is like much better, much better. Today I lost the first trade, as you guys know. I lost the first trade, and I'm I made 50 points, which is pretty good. Which is a two. The correlation here is in our R is two. Okay, two. So I risk 25 to make 50 in this case, and it's very logic here. Why did I choose to? And this is something as well, so you understand my thought process. I could even have gone further down, like maybe here, 65. Okay, but I prefer not to risk that much and just come up here, and you see that it made the 80 points. Okay, it went up to 80 points now, but let's see, it's better. It made up to 80 points. You see, 80 points. It would have been 329 of risk. Okay, cool. But, but, I prefer much more to make this 50 points here. That is guaranteed, or at least is more likely that is gonna happen. Then wait until, I mean, 65 or even more, um, because this is a point where we could see a reversal. This is a point where the price could react. Uh, and I mean, if we build everything up again, look, let's see. If we build everything up again here, look, here, or here, cool. It's not something that I wouldn't do, okay, to enter from this point here. Yeah, uh, 21965. It could be an entry. It could be an entry. I'm not entering. Okay, I'm not entering because I had my day already. So I'm not entering this at all. But it would be something to consider if I hadn't traded already. But not now, unless it keeps going down. It doesn't look very good. No, 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 not anymore. Not anymore from there. But then we create an interesting hub here, a very interesting hub. And this hub could work. It's better if I just make it here. So this hub here that was created, okay, it might be interesting for especially for a long. I mean, if it breaks this 21,996 here, it's a very, very, very interesting um, entry. It's a very interesting entry. If it breaks, if it breaks the 21,995, as it is doing now, as it is doing now. As for the downside, I just don't think so. I just don't think so. But maybe, maybe because we have this. Look, this point here is where we entered our trade. Okay, from this break, this is a break from this point, from this system here. Like I call it, can call it systems, whatever. Doesn't matter the name. It just matters that it it had the area here and it just broke. Okay, this I wouldn't enter here, not at all. And just broke with this candle here, which is a good break. No, sorry, it broke. No, 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 no. All wrong, all wrong. Sorry, this was the break. This was the break here, guys. This was the break. And then I entered from here, 20, 30 to 29, maybe. Um, and now look, from this break here, it reacted to the downside. So I would consider if I was trading, I'm not, because I traded already, as I told you guys, I just make one trade and I stick to the rule. It's better be safe than sorry in the end. Uh, I would enter from here. Now, if it comes back here, 989, okay, it comes back from that to 989, I would enter. Okay, but I don't know if it's going back there. Let's see. Let's see if it's going back there. Mm, now I'm even seeing a new system to be formed here, and it's a good system because it's in the it's just down to the support, to the form of support. So if it breaks here, I would consider enter from this line here, 962. It's a good point to see an entrance there. Let's see how it goes. Okay. I just, yeah, I would just be careful because it's forming a system. It's not going like here, for example, it went down and made the V. This is the V, the way I like to trade. I don't like to trade when it consolidates and then comes up because it might be a trap. But yeah, we have like 40 points. It's considerable. Um, oh, it's breaking beautifully. Look, this is a good entry, I would say. From 962. Yeah. 5 minutes. Okay. So, yeah, it's a very narrow entry, but it's interesting. It would have been interesting to trade from here, exactly from this point. Yeah, this is the point. I'm not in this trade, okay, guys? I'm just playing around now, showing you guys the how to find the setups I trade. I'm not trading this, but it's working. Like 10 points now. Not bad. Not bad. All by your risk, but it's a good entry. Look, oh, 19 points and zero drawdown, as you guys can see. Zero, zero, zero drawdown. It was a great position. It's just because as I did my trade already, I'm not taking any risks anymore, but it worked beautifully. Now I would have the stop loss set up at zero here because we just reached this point here, which can we can from which we can see a reaction. So to be fairly honest, it's good to be very cautious here. But it's going down. It's going down. And well, I just wanted to see. I'm testing a new platform while I'm talking to you, which is Charts. Wealth Charts. They gave me a testing platform, but I'm still figuring out even how to set the time frame here. I don't see where to set the time frame. No time frame. No time frame. Look how beautifully it's going down, guys. I told you. You can't say I didn't. Look at this. 30 points or more. Yeah, 31 points. Beautifully, beautifully, beautifully. Beautifully. It's going down beautifully. Just as planned. If you wanted to take your profits like from, it would have been advised as well, because it's not very it's not completely likely that it's going to keep going down. As you know, we are in a frenzy, in an almost center rally, that we will have the confirmation of the center rally tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be a very exciting day. It's Fed Day. Yeah, Fed Day. So nice. You like Fed days? You guys like Fed days? I don't trade the Fed for sure. I don't, because it's total madness. But I like to observe at least, or maybe um, trade, trade. Uh, in the demo, dude, I didn't see where to set the time frames here. Yeah, trading view is much better. I use, as a matter of fact, I use trading view to chart, and uh, I use MetaTrader to trade. I like MetaTrader because it's very fast. Like for retailers, I believe. Okay, I found it. I found it. For retailers, I believe it's the best option because it's very fast. And the broker I use is IC Markets for my live account. I also use two prop firms, and I don't have a reason not to tell you which ones they are. They are FTMO and 5%ers. Fires are the best ones in the market for sure, undoubtedly. And you see how this trade is going beautifully. 33 points. Pretty impressive. Oh, it's further than 33 points. Let's see. That's 100 points here, and just see if it works. It's going beautifully up to the moment, and let's see drawing tools here. Okay. Measuring tool, shapes, lines. Um, no, they don't have. Search symbol, share chart, configure chart. Yeah, I'm still like And this is a test that I'm doing for this wealthy charts platform in combination with Apex Trading. They will give away some accounts for those who test. So I'm testing it. I used Apex Trading for a while, but I was not very profitable with them, so I just gave up because it's difficult to trade with FTMO and Fivers and Apex at the same time because you cannot. At least I don't know a way to do that. If you guys know and would like to tell me how, I don't know how to copy the trades from MetaTrader to Ninja, the platform they use there, and now these wealth charts. So I just don't know. I just don't know uh, how to copy the trade. So that's why there is this not so they're not compatible. So I don't think I'm gonna stick to Apex, although they have some good points, uh, undeniably, but I just prefer to stick to the golden standard in the industry, and that's it. Yeah, I don't see this even. I don't see like a yeah, just don't see take profits. Let's see, take profit here. What would be good for take profit? Let's see. In the high time frame. Yeah, if it breaks here, I'm gonna tell you guys. If it breaks here very strongly, and this 1 hour is kind of bearish. You see, this the first hour has already broken the the low of the day up to that moment, and now it's breaking very strongly the first candle. If it if the 1 hour like remains here, I believe we have room to go at least more 50 points to the downside. This is a point where we could see a reaction, or we could even go further down and test. You know what? We could even test yesterday's gap, which is untouched. Okay, it's untouched, and it would be 795. So if you are aiming for the best, I would say 795. 795? Yeah, 795 would be a good place to be. Okay? Exactly 795, which is the gap. Is it? No. Oh, yeah, yeah. The gap from Friday. The gap from Friday. We have this huge gap from Friday, and this is a good place to put your or 800. I mean, doesn't matter. It's like around this area here. 800. Cool. Make it 800. This is a very, very good take profit. And since I'm trading this in this platform here, just have to figure out where it is. To be fairly honest, I'm not liking that much. I think it's too heavy for the computer, and I have a very good computer to trade. Uh, I'm just not liking it very much. It comes, you have to get rid of indicators because it has lots and lots and lots of indicators. Uh, I just don't like it. But anyway, since I'm doing nothing now, uh, let's see time frames. Hours, okay, yeah, it would be. Mhm, it would be here. 107. 12, 12, 13, 13, no, 16, yeah, 12, okay, yeah, yeah, 13, okay, yeah, yeah, 039, okay, mm. Oh, Jesus, what does that, no, there's something wrong here. Yeah, I really don't know how to. Hmm. Mm, yeah, cool. Now, yes. Okay, now it's working. What else? So 13 on Friday, right? This is the point 033. Okay. Yeah. Good job, guys. Oh my goodness. Content. We launched the TikTok. Global content. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Okay, guys. I think that was it. The trade is still on here. I am not on it, but if you are, good luck. And I see you tomorrow. I'm gonna hear tomorrow. So bye bye.